Why? You like?
Yes.
Do you think you deserve to be the judge tonight? You ask Maki. Maki?
Hello.
Come.
Yes.
Come on. Okay, Maki?
Hello.
Sit. Okay, Abigail? Who's your new pet, Maki? Say hi.
Ah.
Sayang oras ko dito. Hello.
Hello.
Oh. Arp, arp. Oh, sige. Magpapaalam, Abi?
Hello?
Abigail, tanong mo kay Maki kung okay lang.
Can I be the judge?
Lakasan mo, lakasan mo.
Maki, can I be the judge?
Pardon, please.
Oh, Woo! Yun, oh. May English din, oh. Relax ka lang. Ano po, may medics po kami dito, no? Ay, baka himatayin ka, pre. Relax lang, ha? Okay, sorry. You're saying, Maki?
Pardon, please. I didn't understand you.
Yeah! Oh, te. Hello, te.
Hello?
Oh. Sabi niya, hindi ka daw niya naintindihan. Hindi mo naintindihan?
Yes.
Yes. Oh. Abigail,
Hello?
ask him the question again.
Can I be the judge for tonight?
Yes, you may.
Oh, thank you.
You ask why. Pare, you ask why.
Why?
Cute. Oh, naubusan na ng bala. Nalalunod yung English. Sorry. You do not have money left in your account. Abigail?
Hello?
Maki is asking, if you're a cactus, why?
I don't like to be a cactus.
Because you're so English era. So the question is, if you were a cactus, why?
I don't have any reason.
Wow! Pare,
Yes.
may tinatanong.
Ano ba?
Ewan ko. Maki?
Yes.
Abigail, ano pa tanong mo kay Maki?
Reload.
Hello. Hello, ate.
Hello?
Don't you want to ask him any question? Any other questions? No further questions now?
I don't want to ask him a question.
Pare, tanong mo kung bakit siya deserving na maging judge. Go.
Abigail, for your opinion. Why are you deserving to be a judge tonight?
Nothing.
Answer! Kailangan malaman namin, Abigail, bakit ikaw ang karapat-dapat maging judge. Tell us, please.
Because
Go!
I was.
Ano nga, bakit more than that?
This is my first time to become a judge.
Pinagtawanan ko. Ba't kinatawa, pare?
We're laughing.
Oh, why are you laughing daw? Oh,
What else?
pare, why are you laughing daw?
You know. Because it seems you're elementary. You're not a 20-year-old girl.
Oh,
Hello.
hello, Abigail.
Hello.
He's accusing you. Well? Well, Abigail. Please enter the call card number, followed by a number sign. Now enter the PIN. Reload na reload. Followed by the number sign. Reloading successful. Your account balance is... Ano, magre-reload ba? Ano? Oh. Okay, thank you very much. That's the end of the program. We are now signing off. What? Hello, pare. Tanungin natin si Abigail.
Hello?
Ano ba mga tip mo sa mga kabarangay natin na gustong maging magaling na singer? What's your advice? Go ahead, go ahead.
Actually, I'm not a good singer.
I know that. I know you're not a good singer. I'm asking for an advice.
Advice?
Yes.
Practice.
Ha?
Practice.
Ano yun? Complete sentence, please. Complete sentence.
Practice singing.
Okay. How about you, Maki?
For me,
Oh,
you know,
ano sa'yo?
if you practice every day, you'll be a good singer.
Parang inulit mo lang sinabi niya. What else aside from practice?
If you have faith in what you're doing,
Pare, kanta to ha, kantahan ha. Anong faith pinagsasabi mo dyan? Kantahan. Para maging isang magaling na singer. Anong faith? Ano ba yan? Oh. Huwag ka magpaturo, yung sayo. Paano ba maging isang magaling na singer?
practice and practice.
Oh, bukod doon. Alam na namin.
Mag-exercise.
Seriously.
Ano,
Anong advice mo sa mga gustong maging magaling na singer?
makinig dun sa...
Oo, hindi na Abigail yan.
Listen to the song you like to memorize and sing it.
Okay. That's it.
Yes?
Thank you very much. Bagsak kayo, doon kayo. Sige na, ayaw mo na. Abigail, maraming salamat ha. O sige, o pare, okay ba? Siya ba guest judge natin?
Okay lang.
Okay. Maki for president, Papa Dan. Abigail,
Hello?
sige, ikaw ang guest judge ko ha. Huwag muna bababa yung phone ha.
Okay.
Okay, just standby ka lang ha.
Okay.
O, ayos mo tayo dyan, Maki and Abigail.
Ayos yun.